Saan yung ouchie? Di mo na siya susuot kung ouchie siya. Suot natin?
Hindi.
Wear natin?
Okay.
Tara, akin na.
Hindi mo.
Ha?
Magic season.
Let's swim?
Oh.
Dala niya talaga yun. Ano yung dala mo, baby? Dala niya talaga yung mga ducks niya. Let's go, let's go. Come here. Baby, Tara, dali. Go outside. May kalaro na siya. Uh-oh, your ducks. Wait, no, don't throw, Aaron. Give to them. Yeah. Don't throw.
Like this.
Just like swim only. Just.
Parang ganito. Like this. Like this. Skip it around. Okay. Let me finish. Wait. Be patient.
Okay, here, play with them, baby, oh. I'll show your ducks. Play with them.
I filled it with water and it doesn't make a sound anymore.
Have sound there if no water inside.
No, there's no water.
Here, baby, here. Aaron, come here. There's a sound, oh, look, oh. Oh. Kuya? Aaron, kuya teach you, oh.
Okay.
How to play the ducks? Look at kuya, baby.
Oh, yan! Gently. It's gentle. Oh.
Just gentle. Come here, Aaron.
See? I told you that here was come to save the rubber duck. Oh,
Use your goggles, Aaron.
no! Here, put this one. Oh, my goggles! You know how to swim?
Kuya knows how to swim.
Yeah, then how to swim?
How about you?
Hold my hand. Hold my napkin. The napkin is when we go so phone. When we go so phone. When we go so phone.
No. Nag-swim na naman siya gabi na. Aaron, come here. Aaron? Dito ka muna. Ay, that's not your ball. Come here. Hi. Hi. Hi, baby. Tara, bis ka na.